Today I'm logged into my Eagleview 1 account and I've accessed one of my new roof measurement orders. When I open up this order, I get a brand new experience as part of Eagleview 1. You'll see here that the house is modeled, and as I rotate around this is actually a 3D model loaded up into our brand new environment. You'll see that each facet has a card displaying the area of that facet plus the pitch on 12 as I rotate around the house. I could also snap back and zoom out and get greater context around the house, including turning on the parcel boundary. Here you can see there's a property fence, a driveway. I might even have some obstacles working, such as a pool and a tennis court. I could also open up the imagery viewer here and get greater context around the house as I look at the various cardinal directions from Eagleview's Oblique Imagery. I could even zoom in and get greater understanding on the various penetrations and roof condition on the house without ever having to climb on the roof. You could also start to tell in the house that facet L is low slope, and then facet G and P also experience what is called tree overhang from these nearby trees as well. On the right side here, you'll see that we have a lot of the summary information, so area by square foot, number of penetrations or obstructions. I could also see areas by pitch. I could also see the waste calculation and adjust it as needed. I could also expand this dropdown here and see the list of facets that are currently organized by area, but I could also sort and organize them by pitch. I could organize them by orientation. I could even organize them just alphabetically by our identifiers if you're trying to get to one pretty quickly. If I collapse this here, you'll see that here's all the linear measurements. So if I turn off the facet labels for a second and turn these on, you'll see here's all the linear measurements. And they're also fully summarized down below and classified by the various line types. I could turn these off and you could look at just the ridges, you could look at just the valleys, you could turn them all back on as well. If I reorient myself here, one of the cool things is you actually get to interact with this model now. So if I select off the model and then actually start clicking on the individual facets, you'll see on the right side, all the summary information is updating dynamically, such as area, all the different summary line lengths. You can even go to the export tab and see we have all our common formats here, but it will also maintain your selections when you export. So here I have our PDF. You can see here the facets that I had selected, and all the information is going to be tailored to that selection as well. So you just saw the line lengths. Here's pitch on degrees. Here's pitch on 12. Here's estimated rafter spacing. Here's azimuth per facet. Here's area per facet. You could even see the roof obstructions or penetrations. All the imagery is still included in the PDF. And then lastly, the roof summary page that has all the information that you just saw in the UI as well is still presented in the PDF. So hope you enjoyed the demonstration here of Eagleview 1. More exciting things to come. Thanks.